Paper, scissor, rock.
Okay.
Who's gonna get... Today is ice cream day, or make a hole in the ice day, and maybe some swimming if we feel like it. Wim Hoff Style. Hey guys, Martin here as normal. I brought my friend Andreas. What do you think this is gonna be?
I think this is gonna be pretty nice.
Yeah?
So Martin, do you know how much an ice bear weighs?
No.
Enough to break the ice.
Yeah, okay.
So let's go dipping, huh?
Well. I brought the rope in case one of us is not gonna come up. So it's you should maybe bring a rope or something. And this is a Norwegian dip. There. Throw the rope in, pull them out.
All right.
Ready for the dip?
Red as an egg. Paper, scissor, rock.
Paper, scissor, rock.
Okay.
Who's gonna get...
All right.
Yeah, looks like I'm first. Yeah. Ah, you gotta love that. Okay, Andres. No dwelling on the ice.
Man, that was way too calm. All right.
Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Yeah, I'm waiting, dude.
All right.
Feet are getting cold. Guys are getting anxious.
All
Gotta
right,
see.
all
right. But it wasn't so bad. It's not so bad.
Okay, here we go. Right. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so why not do it? Something like that. You feel quite alive. You get the good old motor running, and it's only just -5 here, and we've seen the sun for the first time in some weeks now, so it's been quite good. And yeah,
Right.
hope you like this episode.
Okay.
And
Thanks for joining.
you
And
met
thanks for
Andreas. Yeah. See ya.
Okay, da skal vi til